How to enable Picked for You on Threads app. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video, and in today's video I'll show you how can you enable Picked for You on Threads app. So before that, make sure that you already have an account and make sure that your application is completely up to date. If not, go ahead and update it on your Play Store or maybe an App Store. So now that you're logged into your account or your Threads app, this is how it's gonna look like. After which, what you want to do is click the profile or the icon from the bottom right hand side corner of your screen. Once you're on the profile section, tap on the horizontal line in the top right hand side corner of your screen. You could see this is the one. Then you could see a list of options here. Go to notifications. When you go to notification, you'll be able to see all of these, but you want to go to from Threads, which is at the bottom, and you could see here is the first section as Picked for You. So you want to go ahead and turn it on. So you just have to make sure to toggle the button for on. So I've actually enabled it already. So you can enable Picked for You on Threads app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.